Good morning, grammar friends. Just wanted to make a quick video this morning to answer another common question from those going through analytical grammar. Sometimes people come across a sentence construction that has an adverb, an adjective, and a noun, but it looks like it could be adjective, adjective, noun. And so people want to know, how do we determine whether it's an adverb or an adjective? Well, first, let's review. So an adjective modifies a noun, right? Well, in analytical grammar, we do everything by function. So if we have something that modifies an adjective, the only part of speech that can do that is an adverb. So the more obvious adverbs are things like very and really. They tell us how or to what extent. But there are some times in sentences where you will have a word modifying an adjective, and that adjective modifies the noun. Here's an example. My mother's house. Well, house is the noun. Which house? My mother's house. So mother is obviously an adjective. But what about my? Well, here's the trick. See, each adjective that modifies a noun should be able to pair directly with it. And if it can't, then you've got a problem that you need to take a closer look at. So if we take away mother's and just say my house, doesn't that change the meaning of the sentence and the intent? Okay, so if it does, then we need to look harder. Does my modify mother's? Is it my mother? Yes. Well, if my modifies mother's and mother's is an adjective, then my has to be an adverb. Now here's what that looks like parsed and diagrammed. You'll notice my mother's house, adverb, adjective, noun. And beneath it, I've diagrammed it. You'll notice that my is on a dog's hind leg, just like any adverb would be. Now, obviously, we're not talking about the textbook version of an adverb here, right? Like very and really. But since function is way more important than the definition of a part of speech, it's really important that we take a look at how it's functioning in that particular sentence. So in this particular example, since my modifies mother's, we would diagram it off of it. And the only part of speech that we diagrammed off of an adjective is an adverb. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have other questions. Thanks. Bye.